guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is the February premium box, and what it looks like here on the card, it looks like we do have a fair degree of nicely priced items, so pretty excited to dive in. So in no particular order, I'm gonna grab this big guy from on top. Ooh, we have a Huda Beauty. This is the Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette, which is $67. Is that our big ticket item? It is! Ooh, I picked it up first and everything. Well. Take your look to infinity and beyond. Okay, Buzz Lightyear, with 18 cosmic shades. With both bold and neutral shades, this palette delivers infinite possibilities. Yeah, they'd be more infinite if I could get it open. That'd be great. I have to use scissors just to get under the thing and help it up. Come on. I had you a second ago. Why would you not pop back up? Try the other side again. Come on. Why are you not cooperating? There we go. Didn't need them after all. There. Ooh, it's heavy. Like, my goodness. I'm actually really surprised by that. I like this acrylic. Ooh, okay. So let me block this big ass mirror, but like, look at these colors. Dude, I am in love. Bet you can't guess which my favorite ones are. But yeah, like, those caught my eye first. Like, no surprise at all, but oh, this is gonna be fun to play with. Our color names in this one, let me shift a little bit, are Cosmic, Utopia, Ultraviolet, Nebula, Mercury, Haze, Off Balance, Galaxy, Libra, Crash, Momentum, Supermoon, Vortex, Hot Mess, Supernova, Karma, Gold Glitch, and Frazzled. Those are such fun names for colors, right? So that looks like it's going to be a really nice palette to dive into whenever I get around to that one. Let's put it back in there for safekeeping for the time being. Alright, next item. So this is from, what the hell is this from? I think it's pronounced Woma Beauty, and it's the Badass MF Lip Liner. And it's $16. So shape and fill your lips to add definition and structure with these highly pigmented, silky smooth lip liners designed to be worn with your favorite lipstick shade. This is in Angelou, like Maya. Okay. After that one ginormous one in the last box, this seems so little, but it's like the same color is the funniest part to me. A badass is the opposite of a dumbass. I like that. Oh, I like this brand a lot just for their attitude. My goodness. Like, that is so me. I love it. Okay. We're gonna set that over here for safekeeping. Next. Ooh. Bougie bougie. We have some Christoph Robin Instant Volume Mist with Rose Water. So this is $39 for this guy. I have a different Christoph Robin mist. It's the aloe one. I think I reviewed it even. I really, really like that one, but I'm excited to see what this does. So this mist makes thin, fine, or flat hair feel thicker and full of body while delivering an easy-to-style hold. Using a delicate rose blend infused formula with baobab leaf extract and oligo elements from seawater, this mist helps enhance hair's texture and provides a lift at the roots for a long-lasting volumized look. Interesting. I'll be coming straight to the bathroom after this with the rest of my hair stuff. Okay, so this is from Moonlit Makeup, which I've never heard of before, and it's called Primed for the Night. Like, can we appreciate how cool that logo is? So this is $18, and oh, it's an eyeshadow primer. An eyeshadow primer with a sheer natural tint and a silky lightweight formula that prevents creasing so it doesn't interfere with your favorite colors. Get primed for the night and enjoy vibrant lasting color wherever your adventures lead. Very cool. Gonna keep it up here where I can easily find it as it's needed. Okay, from Aceology, this is the Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager, and it's $45. Where does it open from? Do I actually have the thing this time? Hey, I actually do. What do you know? I didn't get ripped off this time like with Ipsy, but still salty over it, Ipsy. I know that you own Boxy now, but I love rose quartz so much. Even if I don't know how to use these things, I love rose quartz. Anyway, so more than a luxurious end to a masking sesh, the Gua Sha boosts skin's radiance, firms and smooths the skin, reduces fine lines, and stimulates blood circulation. But it doesn't tell you how to use it. You're on your own for that. Let's see here. Again, I'm trying to keep my legs moving because they keep going numb from how I'm kneeling down over here. Let's see here. Yeah, it does not give us any instructions. It kind of just assumes you know. Oh, wait. Okay. It kind of does back here. Alright, that gives me something to go from. Because other than that, I was like, I see these things all over, but I literally do not have a clue how the heck they work. So, good to have one that actually explains it. So, okay, what does this leave? This is the Vika or Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. This is $24. Okay, if I had like a bead in there, I was like, does this sound like a spray paint can? But never mind. So, anyway. A makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup Melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean, and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and Makeup Melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. And loving the aesthetic with the pink. Like, I'm noticing kind of a vibe with the stuff that I got in this box, all kind of like fitting into that vibe. But anyway, that's what I got in this box. I think it's pretty good stuff, honestly, don't you? But anyway, so that is it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.